Another great photo from one of our viewers. This was taken at sunset during the harvest here, and you can see the close-up of the tractor there with that beautiful orange glow in the background. Josiah took this photo. Love this one. Thank you so much for sharing. And you know, it might have been a little tough getting out to the fields yesterday with the rain that was coming down. Well, today we've been a little bit drier. We've got some sunshine out there to help dry things out, and temperatures are on the rise. Here's a look at our numbers. 54 degrees right now in Bemidji and in Wadena. It's 53 in Baudette. It's 50 in Thief River Falls. So this is an area in the east where we're just a little bit cooler. We have more clouds going on there. We are clearing out right along the Red River and to the west, and temperatures are responding. We're at 60 degrees in Fargo, looking at 61 in Jamestown right now. And taking a look at our wind, not a problem here. We're looking at wind 10 miles per hour or less, even some calm reports coming in here this afternoon. So here's a look at the latest satellite picture and your radar too. You can see we've had a few areas of green on the map showing up, indicating that the radar is detecting a little bit of light rain. It's possible we're seeing some sprinkles. Right now, not super impressed with what we've got going on there, other than the clouds that are covering Highway 59 for a lot of locations along that stretch. Bemidji also seeing again some clouds, but then we are more clear in other places in the valley. A few clouds on the north side of the FM area, and making our way into the afternoon here in our hour-by-hour planner. We'll watch those clouds kind of drift eastward, break up a little bit more, and we'll get more and more sunshine in those locations to the east. Temperatures will climb more in the west than they do in the east as well. So we're looking at a range from some upper 50s in places like Bemidji and Baudette to some upper 60s over toward Jamestown and the Ellendale and Edgeley areas there. And then moving into this evening, should be a pleasant night tonight, nice and quiet. The clouds continue to move on. 11 o'clock, we're seeing some areas dipping into the 40s, and we continue that slide into tomorrow morning. Low 40s to some mid 40s essentially to start off your day tomorrow. Should be a quiet start, but Friday's going to get a little bit blustery here. We've got a clipper type system moving through the region, and that's going to kick up, stir up some wind. It's also going to create a few showers for some of us, and we'll show you that here in our hour-by-hour planner. Starting off with some sunshine, a few clouds, but overall more on the sunny side to start the day. And look at that wind starting to pick up out of the south. We'll get some gusts into the 20s, maybe even 30 by lunch hour, and then into the afternoon we keep those winds going, and so we're looking at wind gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour. It's going to be windy, and with that here comes the clouds, that chance for some rain too on that northeastern part of our viewing area. Same areas that are seeing clouds and some showers today may again by the afternoon see that going on tomorrow. Notice our temperature difference: near 60 Baudette, near 70 over to the south and west for your Friday. Keep in mind that 70 is going to be accompanied by some wind. And then heading into the afternoon, you see these spotty areas of showers moving through with that system. Those will clear out fairly quickly, and we'll end up with some temperatures still in the 50s by 10 o'clock tomorrow night. But look at this wind turning northwesterly and picking up again into that 30 to 40 mile per hour range. So it's going to be a blustery one on Friday. We'll have to watch out for a couple of showers in the north and east. And then this weekend, kind of calming things down a little bit. We'll get to about 60 degrees both days. We're looking at some partly cloudy skies, not bad for a late October weekend. And then next week, that's when things change quite a bit. We're looking at the potential for rain. And because temperatures will be cooling down significantly into the 40s, we're also looking at the potential for some of that rain to change over to potentially some snow.
Oof.
Yeah, so that's one to watch out for the second half of next week. Still a ways away.
I was about to say.
Yeah, but just keep that in mind. You know, if you're thinking, should I get out and enjoy the weather this weekend? You might want to.
Exactly. I was about to say 60s, calm. Yeah, one of the best weekends probably, maybe for a little while too, down the stretch.
Sure.
Yep. Lisa, thank you so much.